If you want to put your marketing onto easy mode, this is the simple equation you need to understand. Once you get this right, you will easily unlock more leads and more sales. So here it is, psychology plus economics times technology. Now there's different components into each part of this equation, but when you think about it like this, it's going to make your marketing make a lot more sense. So let's start to unpack the equation. So when we talk about the psychology, this is how you speak in the target market's language and you know why they buy from you. Effectively, your marketing is just inputs and outputs, garbage in, garbage out. If you don't spend the time to understand who you're talking to, and if you can't articulate their problems and their dream outcome in their words even better than they can, then your marketing will fall flat. It will become more of the noise. So when it comes to psychology, can you tell me these things about your dream customer? Their false beliefs, their values, their before state, their desired after state, their big pain points, their hopes, their dreams, their number one burning question and what keeps them up at night. And ultimately, what is the big problem you solve for them? Once you can answer these are the core of your marketing, the core inputs. And this is what goes into your messaging or goes into your copy. And so if you ever feel a bit unsure about what ad angle to do or what blog post to write about or what to put in a LinkedIn post, whatever it is, it's because you haven't taken the time to figure out the psychology input of your equation. Okay, so now we come to the economics. And oftentimes when it comes to marketers, media buyers, traffic specialists, or anybody that might be working on your team, sometimes you have people who understand the psychology or they've got all these ideas, but they can't make the economics of the campaign stack up. They fail in that execution part of the marketing. Or sometimes you can have a media buyer or a traffic specialist who really understands the economics, but they are missing the psychology and they actually don't understand how to create copy or creatives or landing pages that tap into that conversation that your target market are having. So when it comes to economic, what we want to do here is understand our revenue goal and then in the funnel, all of the touch points, which are different levers that are going to help us to get there. For economics, there's two different things. There's your marketing economics, CPA, CPLs, CPCs, your funnel metrics, conversion rates, lead to sale, blah, blah, blah. That's important, but you can only squeeze so much out of your marketing economics until you need to really focus on sales and the business economics as a whole. So what we're doing from a marketing point of view with the revenue, we're just working backwards. So what's your revenue goal? And then all of the different touch points that we can control and optimize, we want to figure out, does it economically make sense? Can we make the math be stacked in our favor? So when you're thinking about the economics, do you know these numbers? Number one is the revenue goal. Most people don't even know that. And your marketing just exists to serve a business goal, right? Your marketing can't just happen to tick a box. It needs to be there to serve a business goal, and it's typically tied to revenue. So do you know your sales conversion rate, your cost per lead, your cost per acquisition, the lead to sales time, the landing page conversion rate? Awesome. Now let's look at this conversion and close rate calculator we use with our clients. So you can see here, these are our different levers. When you want to grow a business, there's three different ways to grow. Get more customers, get them spending more, get them buying again. So we're looking at the getting more customers and maybe getting them to spend more. So this lever, what if they only spent 15K? Well, that totally changes the ROAS and the revenue that we can expect. What is the total budget of the campaign? But the idea is that just because you spend more on traffic, all you're doing is increasing your costs. If we don't increase these conversion rates down here, well then all we've done is increase traffic costs, not actually made a more profitable funnel. We have not stacked the economics. So we can see here, what if we can get the conversion rate to 5%? What if the show up rate changed to 50%? What if the MQL was this? But what if we could close 80%? Just continues to change the numbers, right? I think you can see what I'm getting at. Once you understand these numbers and the levers, you can actually see which ones to pull to make the biggest impact in your business, and you can make the math work for you. Okay, so we've got psychology plus economics times technology, the third part of the equation. And what I want to really drum through here is technology is just an accelerator. 1,000 times 0 is still 0. So if you don't have that psychology, if you don't have that economics, this technology, getting obsessed with some new AI app or your CRM or a tech stack, it's not going to make much of a difference because all it's meant to do is accelerate the results you're already getting. And the frustrating thing for me is a lot of people are always asking me, well, what do you build landing pages in? What's your tech stack? What AI are you using? And my probably annoying smart ass question back to them is, do you know who your buyer is yet? Do you have an avatar? And the answer is always no. So people are looking to technology as this silver bullet to save them and to fix their marketing. And obviously it's extremely important because I've worked in and with a lot of companies that go into tech debt because they don't get their tech stack working. And then as they scale, it's a huge shit show. So you don't want that. However, you need to figure out the core of your equation first, because what's the point of buying a brand new shiny sports car if you have no idea how to drive it? And that's exactly what it's like when you bring in this technology and you add in this often complexity. It doesn't even sometimes make your life any easier. It's just more things to think about and more things to manage. All right, so that is your marketing equation to help you to start scaling profitably. Psychology plus economics times technology. Let me know in the comments, or which one are you going to be focusing on, or where do you need a little bit more help?
Hey, just before you go and watch some cat dancing or another crazy Mr. Beast video, I've got something to give to you. All of the most successful businesses in any industry are dominating with this one thing. It is a golden hippo offer. And I've just launched my Golden Hippo Offer workshop. It has quick, actionable videos to walk you through my exact proven system. It has all of the plug and play templates you need to create and deploy your industry dominating offer. And I've just launched it for an insanely low amount. You can find the link in the comments and in the description of this video. And it's already getting students results like this.
And I've got to say that I learned more about marketing.
About my conversions from like 7 or 8% to about 12%. Some days I'm hitting 50% lead gen conversions.
To get you a lot of leads, scale your business, yeah, I would definitely recommend this workshop.
More about sales, more about getting great offers with a Golden Hippo offer.
One of the biggest wins for me was to come up with my own offer that I'm going to be testing with my audience. And I think it's going to be a really good offer
than I have in my entire 42 years on this planet before then. Thank you guys so much. It was a very tiny investment on my part, and you guys helped me get 7 clients during those 4 days. And at $3,500 a pop, that's a pretty good ROI for you guys. So thank you so much.
Remember, change your offer, change your business. Click the link in the description or in the comments below, and I'll see you on the inside.